So, hello, good morning, and welcome to another day, another vlog, another video. So, hello people, how are we this morning? It's, I don't know where the weather's gone, but hopefully this doesn't continue, because if this does, then Sunday's not going to be very nice. I hope it turns sunny again. That would be absolutely fucking brilliant. Because as you remember in the last video, I have a car show to do. So, because I have a car show to do, and I have to use my camera, I would like it to be nice and sunny. But whether that would be the case or not, I don't know. But it would be nice. That would be rather nice if it was nice and sunny, because the reflections of the cars are better as well. Natural light, obviously with photography, natural light is the best light in the world, because I won't be able to take additional lighting with me, so it better be nice and I better not be dark. I think it's actually trying to rain now. Also, while I'm here, I got my new jacket yesterday, and we're going the short way again this morning, guys. So yeah, I got my new Wolf jacket. That looks absolutely cool as fuck. Had to give it a wash, which I did. So yeah, I got that. Got home from work yesterday, and that was actually sat on my computer desk at home. I thought, I know what this is, so I opened it up. Looks really good, but as it's second hand, and it is really cool for second hand as well. It's really clean and tidy, no rips or anything, which is good. I obviously had to stick it in the washing machine, and the reason I'm not wearing it today is because it is still fucking wet. But yeah, that's the reason why it's not on my back today. But hopefully give it a couple of days, because I can't tumble dry it, so I've got to air dry it. And obviously it's in the front room on the old hookies. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, hello people, I just put some fuel in, and yeah, gonna weave my way through. What the fuck are you doing, man? Don't you dare, buddy, don't you. Whoa, fucking hell. Whoa, fucking hell. So, sorry guys, I've not been talking very much. So yeah, this Sunday, a couple of days time, so today is a Friday, there you go, just giving that away. Yeah, basically I've got the classic car run in Havant. Hopefully my mate's going to be with me as well, as we've not really gone out riding. Well, it's not really a ride, is it? It's that's fucking too high. Oh, it's a Type R Integra. I'm not entirely impressed with those new tyres.
Greens, glorious greens, egg fried custard. I can't remember why.
Hey, are you using the... No, no worries, thank you. Cheers, buddy. Alright. With the bird for 2 minutes. So what we do...
Sing me, sing now. Sing me, sing. Can't you sing me, sing now. Sing me, sing.
I wonder who they were. So, hello, and we are back. Back for another day. Right, I've got to nip on to the other shop now. Fucking feet are slippery. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, do I do this in one hit? Because I've got to go down there. I've also got to go over there. So do I park up and go back over there, or do I...
Sing me, sing now. Sing me, sing. Can't you sing me, sing now.
Thank you very much. Hello, testing, testing. Testicles, testicles, testing, 1, 2, 3. Right, anyway guys, I'm going to see you later. Take it easy. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing and all that. And I will catch you in the next video, guys. Take it easy. Bye bye. See you later. He's just gone for a red fucking light. I swear he has.